Hello, dear students. I, Shivani Gonyal, will be taking grade 4 math, and I welcome you all to attend the math session. In this session, we'll be following Exceed 5 A's, that is aim, action, analysis, application, and assessment. So today we'll be doing S4, that is Roman numerals. So here there are two clocks. So students, can you spot any difference between them? Between both the clocks? Yes. So in the first clock, the numbers are written according to the Hindu Arabic numerals, like we commonly use in math, like 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. And in the second clock, the numbers are written in Roman numerals. So yes, today's aim of the class is to write numbers up to 39 as Roman numerals. So let's see what Roman numerals are. So to do with Roman numerals, the first important thing is to learn the numerals from 1 to 10. Like how can we write Roman numerals from 1 to 10? So here it is. So for 1, we use I. For 2, we use I. 3, we use triple I. For 4, 1, we. So these all are the symbols from 1 to 10. And if you get this, so it will be easy for you to do it further, to take the Roman numerals further. So learning 1 to 10 is the most important. So yes, so my question is, what are the Roman numerals for 15 and 39? Before beginning the session, just guess. So if I have here a screenshot based on the Roman numerals. So now you can tell, looking upon this, that what can be the Roman numeral for 15 and what can be for 39. For a hint, let me tell you that 15 is formed using 10 plus 5 and 39 is formed using 30 and 9. Yes. So as I told you that 15 is formed using 10 plus 5. So in Roman numerals, we write X for 10 and V for 5. So the Roman numeral for 15 will be XV. And similarly for 39, we use 30. So 30 we write it as XXX, and for 9 we write 1X. So together it forms XXX1V. So as you can see here also, for 39, we have break 39 into 30 plus 9. So here it is XXX, means 3X, and then 9 we write as 1X. So it becomes XXX1X for 39. Now here it comes Roman numerals from 1 to 50. So let's see. These all are the Roman numerals from 1 to 50. So either you can take a screenshot or you can read this all later. Beginning from 1 till 50. So students, tell me now, what does writing a letter before and after a letter with a greater number value mean? For example, I have a greater value, a number with a greater value. So in Roman numeral, if I have written a smaller letter before it or a letter after the greater value, so what does it mean? Okay, let's make it more clear using this. See this answer. So if a smaller value letter is written after a greater value letter, we add its value. Yes, if a smaller letter is written after a greater value, so we just add its value. And when a smaller letter is written before a greater letter, so we just subtract the value. Okay, now check this example. It will be more clear to you. For example, here in first example, 1 and V is there. So out of these, V is the greater value. So if I written 1 before V, it means before V means 5 minus 1, because I have written here 1 before V, so it becomes 5 minus 1, that is 4. And if I have put 1 after V, means after the greater value I have put smaller value, so it will be added. So 5 plus 1 will be 6. So if a smaller letter will be written before the greater letter, so it will be minus, and if I write the smaller letter after the greater value, so we will add it up. See this another example. Here x and I is there. So x denotes 10 and I denotes 1, as you can see here. So 10. So here I have written smaller value before, so it means 10 minus 1 will be 9, and here 10 plus 1 will be 11, because smaller value is here added later to x. So children, are you ready for the master question now? So here it is. XX1V. This is a Roman numeral. So what number is this and how did you find out? Just think. XX1V. Yes, the number is 24, because XX means 20. How 20? X is 10 and one more x is there, so x plus x is 20, and 1V is 4. So 20 and 4 together makes 24. So XX1V is 24. So now home assessment. So children, you have to read block 1 carefully, lesson 4, and also do practice of lesson 4 given on page number 5 of your content book. And after this video, you have to do this workbook part on your own.